It's here, really fast. The Rode Wireless Go. This came out as soon as I first heard about it. It was starting to ship. I can unbox this guy. Oh, that's cool. Part of the box is giving you a quick start guide so they don't bombard you with a bunch of papers and manuals. That's good. That's exactly what you need to know. Oh, and it's got on that side too. Great. Wow. You don't even have to speak English to understand what this is about. Oh, that's cute. It's already packed in there. Gotta love this packaging. It's like opening an Apple product. Ah, there we go. Get a pouch to hold the Go. Safety regulations. Oop. Ooh, candy. I'm gonna have this later. I know that's not candy, by the way. Got the 3.5 millimeter cable to attach it to the camera or an audio recorder. You got two little dead cats. It's one and two. There's not much to these Rode Wireless Go devices. Got your Rode branding. Man, such a simple device. I'm already liking it. Okay, let's go through the other accessories here in the corner. You got one USB-C power cable. Whoa, two USB-C power cables. Check that out. Man, they give you a lot of accessories for this Go. You don't have to buy all this stuff. That's great. The one thing I would have liked to have is a lav mic, but I guess because the transmitter has a built-in microphone, you don't need a lav mic, but this really has everything. I'm impressed. Very impressed, Rode. Good job. And I see, so you have the there's two little connection points, and that's where the fuzzy just connects. You don't have to just put a whole fuzzy wrapped around it like you do with some devices, audio devices. That is cool. I'm impressed already. Okay, very happy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a video, not now, this is just an unboxing, but I will make a video really soon. I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna compare the wireless, the Rode Wireless Go, and compare that to the Sennheiser AVX system. And then I'll also compare that to the newer Sennheiser XSW system. And just for fun, I'm gonna bring in the Sony AW4 Bluetooth wireless device. Not the same as the digital that these guys are doing, but this came first with the Bluetooth connection. So here are 4 alternative wireless systems from your traditional radio mics. I'm going to test all 4 of them together, see how they sound in another video. If you have any questions about either of any one of these devices that you want me to test, put it in the comments below. And if I read it before I start filming my test video, I'll try to answer those questions when I test these out.